How to reset network setting on Android phone. If you're facing any issue like you are experiencing mobile network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth calling or network connection problem, reset network setting can help this problem. Okay, in this video I will tell you how you can easily reset your network settings. Click settings app, find the settings app and open. Please like this video for me. Okay, and now just you have to just open the mobile settings, and which phone are you using right now, tell me in the comment box. Okay, now you have to just here your mobile setting will be open here. Now you have to just find here about phone option. So click on the about phone, click on the here about phone, and now after click on the about phone, now you have to just find, you can see here after clicking the about phone, now you can see here in the downside here reset option is there. Click on the reset option. Now you can see here will be have the reset option. If you not find the reset option, then I will tell you. So here go to the back, and now once again open the settings, and now click on the search bar, and now just search here reset. After search here reset, now you can see reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Click on the here, and now you can see here reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Click on the here, and now just you have to click on the downside reset settings, and now you can see your Wi-Fi Bluetooth settings will be reset. I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure like and subscribe to the channel.